Reassembly of the Model 1845F. Insert the rubber bumper into the cylinder. Apply white lithium grease around the piston O-ring and insert the piston dry blade assembly into the cylinder. With the rib side of the dry blade facing forward, insert the cylinder into the nailer body. Apply grease around the white cylinder cap O-ring and firmly seat it around the return cylinder. Apply grease around the cap O-ring and valve O-ring, then install the valve and spring inside the cap. Align the cap gasket with a 3mm Allen wrench. Install the cap with the 4 cap screws. Turn the nailer over and using the 3mm Allen wrench, install the nose cover with the 4 screws.